Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a professional Facebook page perfect for promoting Amazon products. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to create a Facebook page. Log into your Facebook account and on the left menu click the page. Then create a new page. Fill in the page name, category, description, and then after that create the page. Then customize your page. Add a profile picture, add a cover photo, add a website link, and then you can use a link tree or beacons link to include a multiple affiliate products in one URL. Then, after that, create an affiliate content. Go to Amazon Associates, then search for a product in your niche. Click a get link and copy the shortened version. And based on the Facebook page, you can create a post with a product or a video short and a catchy description and your affiliate links. And then after that, grow with your page organically. Then, or invite your friends to like your page, join our relevant Facebook groups, and share your content. Post consistently the products roundups, comparisons, and deals of the day, and also use our relevant hashtags. Then, after that, grow your page organically. Just track and optimize. Check the insights and see what the posts that get the most engagement and update the performing post with a better headlines or images. Try Facebook ads to boost your high up performing affiliates post. And that's how you create your Facebook page for Amazon affiliate marketing. Stay consistent, keep sharing great products for your commissions to grow. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.